While RAM clarifies that the RHO is in the replacement for the discontinued TRX model, it currently stands at the top choice in their lineup. That's sad news, but that doesn't mean that there is not another beastie RAM track in the works. Jeff Summers, head of advertising at RAM Tracks, recently shared insight on LinkedIn regarding the 3-minute promotional video released to endorse the RHO model. The video showcases the tracks navigating sand terrain and creating dramatic rooster tails. According to Summers, it's also loaded with Easter eggs in a tradition of if you know, you know. Summers provided a breakdown of 20 Easter eggs within the video, connecting them to the RAM's past and future. For instance, the clock displayed inside the Baja-style paddock tent is set precisely to 540, symbolizing the horsepower of the RHO's Hurricane inline-6 engine. Moreover, the horsepower figure of 540 is creatively incorporated as the race number on one of the dirt bikes featured in the video. Interestingly, the other dirt bike lacks a number, and that isn't a mistake. Dirt bikes with 540 on one for the RHO horsepower, and another bike which has a number intentionally left blank for the next RAM high horsepower vehicle with 3 letters, said Jeff Summers. It's quite rare for automakers to openly discuss future products, making Summers' comments particularly noteworthy. This suggests that RAM is indeed gearing up for another truck release. While it may not be a new TRX, it's evident that a high horsepower vehicle is on the horizon. But that's not the only exciting news from RAM. They're also in the process of testing a prototype for a new 2500 HD model. Specifically, the prototype focuses on rebel grade, but most of the styling tweaks should feature on the heavy-duty pickup's other grades. The refreshed 2500 HD lineup is anticipated to debut for the 2026 model year, marking the most substantial update since its initial introduction in 2019. The camouflage gear points to a new front fascia design and revised lights at both ends. There also appears to be a new grille planned, at least for Rebel. The updated grille features a prominent sensor and seems to adopt a simpler design compared to the current model. This direction mirrors the approach taken with the smaller 1500 Rebel, which underwent a similar grille refinement in its 2025 model year update. According to the photographer, the interior of the prototype also sported some camouflage gear, which points to changes coming to the cabin. Even though the updated 2025 1500 range no longer offers the V8 engine, and we're not quite sure what engine will be used in the new high horsepower track that Summers mentioned, the updated 2500 HD is expected to keep its V8 for now. The engine is a 6.4 liter V8 rated at 410 horsepower. It comes mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. An alternative is the 6.7 liter turbodiesel inline-6 from Cummins, which comes mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching.